Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken chickpea salad. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready for this simple recipe. You'll need about 2 cups of cooked chicken, either shredded or diced, along with 1 15-ounce can of chickpeas, thoroughly drained and rinsed. Don't forget to chop about 1/2 cup of celery and 1/4 cup of red onion for that essential crunch and flavor. Now let's get to mixing. Take a large bowl and add your prepared chicken and the rinsed chickpeas. Next, incorporate the finely chopped celery and red onion into the bowl. Use a spoon or spatula to gently toss all these main ingredients together. Ensure everything is evenly distributed, creating a nice base for our delicious salad. For the creamy dressing, grab a separate small bowl. Whisk together 1/2 cup of mayonnaise with 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard until smooth. Then, add 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Finally, stir in 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Taste and adjust the seasonings as needed to achieve your perfect flavor balance. Almost done. Pour your freshly made dressing over the chicken and chickpea mixture in the large bowl. Mix everything thoroughly, ensuring every piece is coated evenly with that delicious, creamy dressing. You can serve this immediately or chill it for about 30 minutes for enhanced flavors. It's perfect on its own in a sandwich or with crackers. Also, check the description for a link to a great book and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.